Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook tempeh stir-fry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 block of tempeh, about 8 ounces, your favorite colorful vegetables like bell peppers and broccoli, and a delicious stir-fry sauce. Before cooking, press the tempeh for about 15 minutes to remove excess water, then cut it into half-inch cubes or thin triangles. This simple preparation ensures your tempeh will be perfectly ready to soak up all those amazing flavors. Now let's get that tempeh beautifully golden and crispy. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, like sesame or avocado oil, in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your prepared tempeh pieces. Stir-fry them for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until they develop a lovely golden brown crust on all sides. This step is crucial for texture. Once perfectly browned, remove the tempeh from the pan and set it aside for a moment. With the tempeh ready, it's time for our vibrant vegetables. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil to the same pan. Toss in your favorite stir-fry veggies, such as sliced carrots, snap peas, and bell peppers. Cook them for 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender crisp, retaining a slight bite. Next, pour in about 1/2 cup of your pre-made stir-fry sauce. Let it simmer gently for about 1 minute, ensuring all those delicious vegetables are thoroughly coated. Almost there. Now, let's bring everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Return your perfectly cooked, crispy tempeh back into the pan with the sauced vegetables. Gently toss everything together for 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the tempeh to warm through and absorb more of that incredible sauce. Serve your delicious tempeh stir-fry immediately over a bed of fluffy rice or your favorite noodles. A sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds makes a wonderful garnish. Enjoy your homemade, healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.